Students, we are going to start today our first poem, A Teenager's Prayer. Teenage. Teenage means a span of life in which the age between 13 to 19 comes. That is called as a teenage. It is a very important time of our life because at the time of teenage we decides actual way of our life. It decides what will you be in future because these years are life changing and life deciding years. So here in this poem we can see that the poet of this poem, J. Morse, is going to represent himself as a teenager, and here he makes a prayer to the God as he is a teenager. Before starting the poem, you can see at the left corner of the page, here is a question given, what is the age group of speaker in this poem? So the answer of this question is that is a teenage. It is a teenage group. Second question, what decision does the speaker have to take? Now here we have to go to the poem for this answer. The first stanza, each day brings new beginnings, decision I must make. In this line, poet says us that every day brings new beginnings for all of us. Every day is different for all of us, and it always brings something new in our life. Also, you have to take some decisions every day. So here writer used this word decision I must make. Look at this line. In this line, poet has just make a inversion of words decision I must take. In actual English you have to write I must make decisions, but here the place of words have changed. So here one of the figure of speech that named inversion has happened. You can say that decision I must make, here inversion figure of speech has happened. In the third line, I am the only one to choose the road that I will make. Here you can see that writer has said in the fourth line the road that I will take. In this line the road is compared with life. So here in the line another figure of speech has happened because here writer has compared road with life. In the second stanza, now come to the second stanza, I can choose to take the road of life that leads to the great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Here two types of road have suggested, have told by the writer. And here is a dilemma condition in the poet's mind. What is called as a dilemma? Dilemma means when you have some options in front of you and you have to decide one of them, one of the option among some options in front of you. That condition is called as a dilemma condition. In 8th class we have seen one of the very beautiful line, that is to be or not to be. When we have to decide something and there are so many options in front of you, at that time the state of our mind is in a dilemma state. That condition is called as a dilemma condition. A writer has also in a dilemma condition. So here He says all of us that